Welcome back to my channel. On this particular video, I'm going to show you on how to work with the Visual. So number one, what you need to do, go to their website, or you can search Visual Studio Code Download. Then go to their website and download the application. Then you pick the machine that you are using. For instance, on my case, I'm using a window, so go to the window. Then next step, you download. Use this one too to download the APKs. Okay, after downloading, the next step is to install. We install it. So here is this. So you install this one, that's setups. Now after installing, you open it. There are some of the things that you need to do to your Visual Studio for it now to make your work easy. So number one, you need to download. So note this one, you need to download the code runner. These are some of the things that you need to do. We have so many code runner. We have this one with the we have the VS Code runner, we have the live code runner, then we have the X runner, we have this other one. Then you can check the number of reviews that we have. Now for this one, for the code number, this one with this color, it has around 22 million downloads with 251 reviews, and so it means that it's one of the most downloaded. Okay, after you download, you are supposed now to install. So I've already installed that. That's why you look at my side, it is showing that it is already installed. Okay, after that, go to the next thing. Our number two is to download the live server. The live server, download this one. Okay, let me see. So if you look at the number of downloads that we have for this one, it has around 40 million download. So this is the best option comparing to others. For example, this one is we have to 927k, 75k, 3.2 million, 111k, 53k, 49. So this one is the most downloaded. And if you look at the reviews, it is 4.5, and remember 5 is the best. So meaning that 4.5 is with a less of 0.5. Okay, having done that, the next thing that you're supposed to do, download the auto head tag. This one, download this one. If we check the number of reviews that we have, it has around 118 reviews, and the number of downloads that we have, it's around 15 million, comparing to other tags. For example, this one, it has 11 million, 3.4, 1.9, 5, 4, 2, 5, 6. So this one is the most downloaded, an indication that's the best. Okay, then the last thing that you're supposed to do is to download highlight matching. So for the highlight matching, you're supposed to, comparing to others, this is in comparison to the other, this is the most downloaded one. So install this other one with the value of 2 million downloads, and the number of reviews that we have is 104. Okay, now let's go to the actual page and to try to opening tag. Then we have this one. Then we have HTML. Then after you close, because of the auto head tags, it will introduce now the other remaining part. Okay, next part, let's assume that we want to introduce a head one. Let's say that tutorial how to use. Okay, maybe we can have that online too. So we have H2, then how to use Visual Studio to create codes. Okay, let me see what we have. Okay, now for the live server, go to the bottom of this part. Go to this part and you click go live. Click that part. Okay, let me try now to have 2 pages. So as you can see, these are the effects that we have done. Okay, we can also maybe introduce a body. We have the body. Then this is the first video on how to use Visual Studio. I am hoping that you have learned something. So kindly like, subscribe, and if you have a question, just write it down on the comment section. Okay, let me see what we have. Then we try to run our code. So as you can see, this is what I've typed from this side. So as you can see, there is no need of having to keep on opening the browser. It will link the two. The live server will link both the application and the browser, so that whenever you write something, it's easy for you to cross-check from the other side. So I hope that you have learned something on how to use the Visual Studio to write your code. It could be HTML, maybe the C, the Java, the CSS. So after watching, don't forget to like, and if you have any question, just write it down on the comment section. I will get back to you. Thank you. Have a lovely day.